Welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's make healthy and tasty masala tea in unique way. First, add 2 tablespoons of sugar on low flame. Stir until caramelized. Caramelizing. Add water in the caramel. Add bay leaf. Ginger. Elaechi. Any kind of tea potty. Boil it for some time.
Make it boiling.
This is very new and latest way to make a delicious masala tea. Now add milk. Please trust the process, you will go in to enjoy it. Its taste really delicious. Ready to serve. Subscribe. Tasty, delicious masala tea. Falling in love. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Har Har Mahadef.